Hi friends, my name is Ankita and today I am going to share with you this quick and easy and simple daytime sort of a makeup look for Bhaiduj. I am exactly going to go ahead and get ready for Bhaiduj like that. So hopefully you people might enjoy this video, and if you people do, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, just go ahead and turn this video on at the time of Bhaiduj, and while you're getting ready, just watch it and get ready with me if you want to, if you like it. Now let's get started. I'm starting off with the skincare first. I'm starting with a very clean skin, that is, I've used my face wash already, and now I am going to ahead and applying my sunscreen, which is from Neutrogena, then applying my my moisturizer, and I'm just going ahead and using an anti-aging moisturizer from Olay. This is the daytime cream. For daytime, I just admire using like proper skincare, sunscreen and all stuff like that. It just helps you, you know, build up your skin game a little bit more. Then going ahead with the concealer, I'm using the NYX concealer, and this is a little bit lighter than what I actually admire my concealer to be. It's a full coverage concealer, so I'm going to use my foundation after the concealer. That will make sure that the concealer is blended in easily, and I'm simply using my hands for applying my foundation. As I've mentioned earlier in the intro, that I didn't wanted this series like these videos of the series to be like bam sort of professional looking makeup looks. I just wanted them to be normal, like how normal people do it. So I'm going to use my setting powder. This one is by LA Girl Pro HD, and I use this powder. It's like really very easy to blend. I'm using it since a very long time, like it's my fourth or fifth pan, and I love it. So over here you can see I'm using the same powder, but 2 to 3 shades darker than my actual skin tone, and I'm going to go ahead and contour my face with the help of this. It's a really nice hack that I have found out, and that is that using your compact powder, which is 2 to 3 tones darker than your actual skin tone, as your contour helps you blend your contour in very easily. Like an unblended contour looks like hell, but you can never go wrong with a compact powder because it is made to blend everything all in together, so it just blends in really very easily like butter. And over here you can see I'm going ahead and contouring my nose as well. Then I'm taking the sun-kissed highlighter from a Makeup Revolution, and I am applying it onto the higher points of my face, that is my cheekbone, my nose, my cupid's bow, chin and forehead, and doing all of that good jazz. And applying highlighter is something that I love because it makes your face look sculpted in the pictures. So this is something that I don't admire skipping. I'm not like cream highlighter, powder highlighter, everything on top of each other type of thingy. But yes, of course, I love applying a little bit of dash of highlighter. It just changes the look. Now I'm applying a very light shade of blusher to blend my highlighter and my contour together. Now the blusher shade is light because during daytime you can have a sun-kissed look by just the sun. So don't apply a lot of blusher. It can make you look like a clown. Don't do that. And then I'm going to apply my lipstick. Here I'm using the Ciate London's lipstick, and I just apply it on my cupid's bow first and then go ahead with the rest of the lip. And this trick, I know people say that you shouldn't do it, but you can repeat your lip coat. But this trick, just pressing my lips together, it gives me a natural line to follow along. So just try it once. Then for eyebrows, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Balm Matte Nude palette, and I'm using the deepest shade starting from the center of the eyebrows, extending towards the tail end, and whatever will be left on the brush would be used to fill in the front part of the brows. This is my regular routine. I admire doing my eyebrows like that only. So this is like, if you're going for an all in all natural look, you can see your brows, they are darker on the center part and lighter on the front part. So just do it like that. If you want to, try it once. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch towards the eyes. I like to keep my eyes for the last because rest of the things that I've showed you, these are like absolute basics and you want to do it when you want to look presentable. But in terms of eyes, if you are going ahead with eyeshadows, you can skip. If you don't have time, you can skip with eyeliner and go ahead with the mascara thing. You can skip the eyeshadows and do the liner and mascara thing. So it's just it's selective, right, for eyes. So I just admire doing them at the last, so that I have like whatever time I have in hand, I just go ahead and do it accordingly. Now For eyes, I have to, like, for this makeup look, I've tried to go with a little bit of that monochromatic things. So I have used a purple eyeshadow for my crease area and a combination of purple and red eyeshadow for the outer V of my eye, and I'm gonna blend it as amazingly as I possibly can. Now I'm going to use this last duochromatic shade from the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply it onto my inner corner and extend it to the inner 1/3 of the eye. I just love doing this step. It just gives an opened up look to the eye, if you know what I mean. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this combination of this purple shade and purple shimmery shade. Matte shade has been applied by me because I didn't want it to be like very shiny, glittery, shimmery in terms of my eyeshadow. So I just went ahead and did a combination thing of all this. And over here you can see I am just simply blending in each and every single thing together to make sure that I have got that desired result that I wanted. And you can see what I was talking about, the shimmer has been reduced by matte a little bit. Now I'm going to use my eyeliner. This one is from Maybelline. I love this eyeliner. It's almost, I've hit the pan and it's almost dried as well. As you people can see, it's taking me a little bit of work, but it's not expiry dated, and I want to finish it off before it turns its expiry date, like before it turns its back towards me. So over here you can see me. I'm just simply going ahead and applying my liner with the help of an angled brush. This brush is something that I use for filling my brows as well. It's a very small, teeny tiny angled brush, and it's just very convenient to create outer wing. If you are like me and you can't get your wing straight ever, you should try an angled brush for creating your wing, and trust me, you'll be able to master the art within very quickly. Not a lot of time would be taken for creating your outer wing perfectly. Now I'm giving it a smoked out look, like literally a little bit blended look. And now using the color bar zoom and whoosh mascara, I'm using the whoosh side, I'm sorry, it's a tongue twister, whoosh side this time. And I'm just gonna go ahead and give my eyelashes that little bit of oomph that is needed to make sure that your lashes are looking perfect. So here I'm doing just the same, and applying it onto the top and bottom lashes is what you want. And after that you can simply go ahead and accessorize yourself, and your makeup look is complete. Hopefully you people might have enjoyed today's video. If you people did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you